Hello everybody, welcome to my new series Instant AI Skills Stories series. In this series, I'll be introducing you to the wonderful world of AI. Today we know that AI is a very powerful thing. However, AI is powerful only if you know the skills. For instance, Arjun asked a vague question and the AI replied equally vaguely. Neha framed her context and AI gave a very sharp insights. Ria combined text with visuals and the AI uncovered hidden patterns. From prompt crafting to multimodal prompting, each skill builds your ability to work smarter with AI. Your success in this AI age depends on your skill levels and skill understanding and skill application. That's what this series is about. We are introducing 45 plus AI skills told through real human stories. You will be learning these skills both practically and theoretically and also understanding its applications on day-to-day basis. So welcome to this series and take advantage of this.